Want to cut your print times by 75% without sacrificing quality? CoreXY 3D printers are how enthusiasts are doing it in 2026, and the gap between these machines and traditional bed slingers has never been wider. Here's why CoreXY dominates. Instead of whipping a heavy heated bed back and forth, these printers keep the bed stationary and use two motors to move an ultra-lightweight toolhead. That means you can hit 500 millimeters per second with accelerations that would shake a Cartesian printer to pieces, finishing that 4-hour benchy in under an hour with details that stay sharp. So what should you actually buy? If you want zero hassle, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is still the benchmark with plug-and-play multicolor printing. Tight budget, the Creality K1 Max gives you a massive 300mm build volume for half the price. The Sovol SV08 brings open source Klipper firmware for tinkerers who want control. And if you're ready for the deep end, building a Voron 2.4 from scratch is the most satisfying project in 3D printing. The mechanical complexity is real, but pre-built options have solved most headaches. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.